everybody, we're back. We're in Philadelphia now, and we're at the famous site where Rocky went up the stairs.
There it is.
Voila! And we are about to make the trek ourselves. We're gonna try to run it. We might get out of breath. We might take a break, but we're gonna finish. All right. So
And you guys are along for the ride.
Let's
go.
Join us.
Here we go, guys. We're walking right now.
Yeah, we're walking right up to it.
We're not doing. No, there's someone running up it right now. That's awesome.
She's doing a pretty good job.
We're probably gonna be embarrassed.
All right. The great thing about these stairs, though, is they're small.
Yeah, what she said.
All right.
Here we go, ladies and gents. I'm holding a camera. No brakes. No brakes.
No brakes.
No brakes.
No brakes.
Keep going. Almost there. Yay! We did it.
And look down the center.
And she cheered us on.
She got me through.
She did it too. Look at it. Okay, we're done.
Wait, hold on. Look down the center.
I just did.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're really out of breath. We gotta go back.